I love road trips. I think I've learned more on road trips than I've learned just about anywhere else in life. It's like a classroom, it's like an office. It's a place where my memory catches up with me. It's a place where I get far enough away from my past that I'm not worried about it. And something about that makes me not even worry about my damn future, and I can be present, and all of a sudden my past and the future all makes hell more sense.
Locked in a stalemate with many bars, no rules. Rock in a hard place, he's battery control. What am I waiting for? Feet planted beneath my compass, my transport.
When we take a road trip, it's not just like we're going nowhere. We're going somewhere. Hopefully trying to get more out of where we're going and be more of ourselves when we get back.
Duduk kampung. Okay, sini. Manis. Yeah.
Finding out which way the road's got you home. Oh, is it a great way, 'cause somewhere you've been from? But it may fall clouds over every green at window.
Road trips are so good for us in the head and the heart and the spirit. And I'm ready to take one. Again, how about you? You want to take a road trip?
Weh, dia orang tahu kita nak balik, man. Okay. See you again. Lata Medang.